Good morning again. It is 5:37 on Saturday the 27th of January, the day after Australia Day. We're back here at Anvil Beach. It's about 40 minutes from Denmark. Excuse me. We stayed with George and Mary last night in Denmark, and just to hear the sound of that ocean. We'll be fishing in these pools around here. Better not get the finger in it if I'm doing this YouTubing. Just the rumble of the ocean. Alright, there's the crew over there. We've set up Speedy. Ginny and I plan on being here all day. The sun's coming up around the back there. And there's just us. Somebody did pull up not far behind us, and there they are. Looks like they're heading out for a fish. Can't see him. There he is out there. The moon's still up. The sun's going to be up. We're going to be kissing each other shortly. One more spin around because it is just magnificent. The sun coming up over there, the windmills over there. We can't see them until now. Have a look at that. It's Denmark's windmills. Alright, one quick one round. Give us a wave, guys. Good morning. It's going to be fishing time. Alright, Speedy looks a little crooked, but we'll fix him up a bit later when we need him. For now, we're going in. I want Skippy, I want whiting, but I'll take anything that comes. Alright, have a great day everyone. Bye bye.